plus. Undercarriage is fixed. Mixture is rich. Props and pumps we do not have. Switches are on. Seatbelts are on. Pre-landing checklist complete. All right, guys, power off 180 to the third stripe. We're going to land on the beginning of the third stripe today, all right? If you guys haven't seen my power off 180 deep dive yet, and you want to be able to nail your power off 180s every single time like you're about to see me do, check out my power off 180 deep dive right up here. All right, guys, third stripe. There we go. All right, 10 degrees of flaps. Not so much because I need them, but simply so they are primed, ready to go in case I need to take them out at the last second. Traffic 66119ers, final 02 Tomas. There he is, right there. And we'll hold that center line as we roll it on out.